Hi friends, welcome back. Uh, Today we are going to discussing about while and do while loops in a JavaScript. Okay, and the previous two sessions you can able to see if else conditions I explained, and the same time I explained for switch case also how we can able to write what is the difference between the if and switch, both the condition how the difference it is there also I explained. Okay, now here we can able to see while and do while, what exactly these two, and how we can able to write what exactly the syntax. Okay, this is basically previous two sections is basically verification of the conditional statements. Okay, in the control statement also there is a conditional statements that we are going to do for some condition. If that condition matches, then only you need to go for next step, like that we are going to say. But here it's a condition type of only, but it is a loop. It's a control statements you can able to say control. Previous condition. Now we are going to do for control. Control statement inside that what will there are loops are there. Okay. If that loop, what will happen? We can able to check whether that particular block of code how many times you want to run. And the previous two sessions, if you mention here condition, okay, in the switch also we are going to mention right switch also condition. Now what will happen if I mention for uh, I want 1 to 10 numbers I want to print. Okay, I want to print for 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, but if the condition what will happen, it will only check whether 1 equal to 1 or 2 equal to 2 or 3 equal to 3, like that it will check the condition. Even switch also will check that, but it will not rotate. Then how we can able to rotate? By using for loop, while loop or do while loop. Any three of them we can able to use, we can able to rotate that for loop to print for 10 numbers. Okay, now what exactly the syntax will be present for while loop? While loop is basically while with a condition. This is a condition. Okay, in this condition we can able to present for statement. That is a statement we are going to specify. Okay, this is and how it will check that all the things. Okay, first we need to let a equal to 0 or 1, which is a starting position we need to specify. If we mention 1, then we can able to mention some condition here, and we need to rotate increment every time, and then it will loop every time the expression need to be a match. Then only it will go on check for every time, then only we can able to see until the statement satisfied. It will keep on rotate the for loop, otherwise it will not rotate. It will directly end with that once until that the step it will check. How we can able to write? Now here we can able to see let a equal to 1. Okay, this is my starting. And while loop, in a while loop what I want to do, I want to print for complete 10 numbers, then a is greater than 10 and here so less than 10. Okay, a is less than 10, then here what I'm going to do, I want to print. Okay, document dot write or write line, and here I can able to specify for a. Every time I need to increment one number, correct? Now here I can able to count, sorry, a plus plus a plus plus. What we are doing here now? Now I here what we here initialization. Okay, initialization is happen. Okay, here condition. Okay, and here printing value, and here if a 1, then we are going to say that 1 plus 1 become 2, like that we are going to incrementing here. Okay, in case if a is having 4, a is having 4, 2 2, then what I am going to do for plus 1 means 3, like this it will keep on execute until for 10 numbers. Okay, until 10 numbers. You can see now, if I'm going to here, this is my while loop, then I'm going to run for in the uh, live server. You can see up to 9 it is printed because we are mentioned for less than 10. We are not mentioned for less than or equal to 10, right? We just specified below 10. That's why it is given for 9. If I mention for here equal and save and then come back and see, these are 10 numbers. Okay, like this we can able to use. And maybe you'll get for one question. Can we make it for if or switch condition inside the while loop? Yes, we can able to. I will teach you that in a break and continue conditions while explaining. Okay, how we can able to use the sum for loop and how we can able to use that. Those things also I'll show you in that particular location. Okay, and do while loop now. Do while loop. While loop, this is the format, and do while loop. What is the do while loop can do that? Do while loop also the similar format of condition only, but only one thing, the condition will be the last. Condition will be the last, not in the first. The last statement. Example, let a equal to 1. Okay. Now here we are going to say do. Okay, and the do inside that we are going to specify for statement. Okay, once the statement is completed, here we are going to specify for while condition, and we are going to make it here. Okay, and what will happen here, and what is the difference between while and do while? Now see, as per the syntax, what will happen? First initialization will be here, correct? Now it will go for check the condition, then only it will execute here. If the until the condition is satisfied, it will say okay. In case if I specify for 10 and the condition also 10, then it will jump out of that and it will goes right. Now in case if the say greater than value, it will not execute, the statement is not matched, then it will get out of that. Okay, equal or less than and it will execute here. Okay, and do while loop, what will happen? Initialization is the starting only, but the problem here it is condition check is the last. Due to that, what will happen? It will execute for one time. If you specify the condition, if you are not specify the condition, it's not like satisfy or not, the condition is satisfy or not, it is not a matter, but it will execute one time. It will execute for one time. One time mandatory. One time execution. Okay, if the condition is matching or not, it is no problem, but it will check after execution of the code, then only it will check for that condition. Here first check the condition, then it will go for statement. Here first execute the statement, then it is going for condition. Okay, now we'll see here. Now do braces, and here also we can able to take similar format. Okay, document dot write line, and here I'm going to specify for a. Okay, then I'm going to mention for a plus plus. Okay, a plus plus. Once a plus plus is done, then I'm going to use for while loop, and the while loop what I'm going to use for a is less than or equal to 10. Okay, are equal or not equal. Okay, now I'm saving here. Now you can see this, I can comment it. Okay, saving here, you can come see 1 and 10 values are printed. Okay, in case if my value become a 11, now my value become a 11. Now I'm saving. You can see 11 only it is printed. Okay, what? Do while loop time. Okay, do while loop time, what happened? 11 if it is there, then it is printed for top, correct? Now I'm going to do for here, I'll comment it. Okay, now here the 11 is there. Okay, 11. Now saving. you can see empty, because what happened, 11 is present here. When he is going for less than or equal to 10, already my a is become a 11, means greater than that. Then what will happen, the statement is not, it will not go for inside, it will go outside. Okay, first statement itself, but do it is executed and it will show for some value. Okay, that is the difference is while and do while. Okay, I hope it this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.